Okay, so you're not hurt, right?
No, I'm all right.
Just carefully get out of here, okay?
All right.
Were you drinking today, no?
Last night.
Last night. How much did you have?
I don't know, just a handle.
Just stand right here, okay? I'm just gonna give you a couple tests, okay? Once you look at the tip of this pen, don't move your head, just move your eyeballs. As I move the pen, just follow it with your eyeballs, okay? That's right, just keep your head straight. Okay. Okay. Just want to face that officer, please. Spread your arms out. Arms out. Placing you under arrest for suspicion of DUI.
Hi there, I'm with the coroner's office. Time of death is going to be 9:20. What's your daughter's name? Sarah. I'm very sorry to tell you this, but this is your daughter. She did not survive her injuries. Ma'am. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to do an examination on her, okay? I'm very sorry for your loss.
Hey guys, what's going on?
18-year-old male rear seat passenger driver was heavily intoxicated. Patient was unresponsive on the scene, did stop breathing, was intubated in the field. Pulses are becoming weak and slow.
All right, we're gonna want to confirm airway position, please. Let's check end tidal CO2. I got decreased breath sounds over the left-hand side. I got breath sounds over the right. Doctor, I don't have any pulses in femoral or carotids.
No pulses, start CPR.
Start CPR. I'm gonna put chest tube over to the left side. I'm gonna make an incision. Tube is in. Still don't have pulses.
Josh, why don't you grab the ultrasound? Let's look for cardiac activity.
Yes, sir.
Pulse check while we're doing this.
We're gonna need central access.
What do you got, Josh?
I got nothing.
Nothing? Okay. All right, no cardiac activity, no pulse, out of hospital arrest. I think we're gonna call it, guys. We're gonna say time of death is 10:11. Thank you all. Hi, are you Devin's aunt?
Yeah,
Hi.
I'm Devin's Aunt Helen.
I'm Dr. Bendis. I'm one of the trauma doctors.
Hi.
You've met Will Anthony, our social worker.
Yeah, he's been here.
Devin was in a pretty serious car accident this
What?
evening, and he suffered some very serious injuries.
Is he gonna be okay?
And we did everything that we possibly could, but I'm sorry he died.
Oh my God. I just called my sister. She's in Florida. She's not even here to be with her son.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God. Is he in there all alone?
We can bring you in to see him if you want.
Can I see him, please?
Yeah, maybe we can bring you in to see him.
Oh my God. Devin. Devin. Devin, you're supposed to graduate in June. How am I gonna tell your mom? Oh my God, Devin. I love you.
All right, what's your name?
Olivia.
Olivia, just listen to my voice, Olivia. I'm gonna take care of you, okay? Airway's intact. We got 2+ carotid, 2+ femoral. We got 2+ radial. You can move down to the legs. Can you wiggle your toes, please? Are you trying to wiggle your toes?
Yeah.
You feel me touching your legs?
No.
Doctor, she has no feeling in her
She's not
feet or
moving.
legs.
All right, can someone call neurosurgery, please?
Do you feel me touching your legs here?
Let's get the OR on
No?
hold.
What about squeeze my hands? All right, upper extremity's intact. She has a GCS of 15 otherwise. She has lower extremity numbness and sensation, decreased sensation. Let's get ready to roll her.
1, 2, 3.
You have pain here?
Yeah.
You have pain here?
Yeah.
Pain in the L spine, decreased rectal tone. She has an obvious step-off deformity about L4.
Suspected spine injury. Neurosurgeon's aware, OR's aware.
You have pain in your chest? So you have feeling up in your arms. So you can feel me touching here. You just don't have any sensation here. Yeah, I think we should go to CT scan.
All right, let's go.
Neurosurgery aware?
Let's go.
All right, let's roll. I'll notify family.
Go right in this side door right here. Straight down here. This bench on your left down here. Okay, stand right here a second. Put your hand up on your head. Okay, sit down on the bench. Sit down. Spell your last name for me, please.
Chaggar, C-H-A-G-G-A-R.
Your first name?
Anil, A-N-E-E-L.
Your date of birth, please.
January 21st, 2000.
Just gotta take a picture quick, okay? Okay, you just wanna stand up there, please? Move down to this area right in front of you. Okay, wanna turn over to your right, please? I'm gonna take you over to the cell and put you there for a little bit while I do the processing for the paperwork. So you just wanna stand up, please? Turn around and face the wall. Okay, down this way. And you're gonna come down here and you're gonna turn right, like cell area here. Right in the first cell here. Okay, just kneel up on that bench there. Keep it nice and long. Turn around, sit down. Okay, I'm gonna do that paperwork and I'll take you down for processing. I'll contact your parents.
All right.
Okay? Just sit tight.
All rise. Court is now in session. Counsel, can you approach to the front and bring the defendant up, please? Okay, and we're here today on case number 417-2018, Commonwealth of Pennsylvania versus Anil Chaggar. That's you, sir?
Yes, it is.
And sir, you've been charged with information alleging the following, that on May 18, 2018, you've been charged with 2 counts of homicide by vehicle while under the influence. That is a felony 2. There were 2 counts. You are also charged with aggravated assault by vehicle while driving under the influence, also a felony 2. And you are charged with driving after imbibing alcohol. You are a minor, and your blood alcohol, according to the information, was a .07. Counsel, is that correct, what we're here for today?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. I've been handed an information here which is signed on the back indicating that you are pleading guilty to 2 counts of homicide by vehicle while under the influence, causing the deaths of 2 individuals, Devin Floyd and Sarah Mengel. And you're also pleading the 1 count of aggravated assault for injuries, serious bodily injury caused to Olivia Naylor, who I believe is the person here today. Sir, if you can you please give me a summary of the facts?
Thank you, Your Honor. On May 18th, 2018, a defendant operated a vehicle with a blood alcohol content of 0.07 in the county of Northampton. The defendant failed to come to a complete stop at a stop sign and collided with another vehicle. As a result, Devin Floyd and Sarah Mengel were killed, and Olivia Naylor is now paralyzed.
Are you going to have any witness? Will she be testifying during the sentencing phase?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, I'm going to turn it over to Olivia Naylor. She was the victim in this case who was paralyzed.
I'm just saddened that my friend, Anil, did this and killed 2 of our own friends and injured me, but more that he killed our 2 friends.
What are your exact injuries?
I am paralyzed from the waist down.
And is there any hope or any chance that they think that anything can happen for you to recover?
No, sir.
I'm very sorry to hear that. Anything else you'd like to add?
No. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to have counsel make a statement on behalf of her client and whether he needs to make any statement.
Thank you, Your Honor. My client is a senior at Wilson High School. He was accepted into Penn State University to study mechanical engineering. My client has taken responsibility for his actions in pleading guilty today. He also shows a great deal of remorse for the pain that he has caused to Ms. Naylor as well as the deaths of the 2 other victims. He has close family ties. His father is present here today, and he realizes the gravity of his mistake. I would also point out to Your Honor that his prior record score is 0. He has had no past contacts with the law, and he would like to make a statement today.
Mr. Chagler?
I apologize for my actions, and I do feel remorse on the impact it had on my friends and my friends' families and the lives of everybody else around me.
Mr. Chagler, this is not an easy thing for anybody to do here. Certainly, it's not easy for me to do. I will say that any sentence that I can impose right now, I know is not going to ease the pain and suffering of the people involved here, the people that have been hurt. Yes, you are a .07, and that for an adult would be a legal limit to operate, although nobody really should be operating a vehicle if they're consuming alcohol. However, as a minor, as under the age of 21, .02 is the only limit that's needed for you to be convicted of a DUI. .02, which means you could have had barely a drink and you would be illegally operating a motor vehicle. And the carelessness of what you did is going to resonate for a very, very long time. And it leaves me no choice but to have to sentence you with the way I'm about to sentence you. Therefore, count 1, a homicide by vehicle while under the influence. You will be sentenced to a mandatory minimum of 3 years to 10 years, $15,000 fine to be served in the state penitentiary. Consecutive to that sentence, second count of homicide by vehicle, you will also be sentenced to 3 years to 10 years, $15,000 fine to be served in the state prison. On the charge of aggravated assault by vehicle while DUI, I sentence you to 1 to 3 years, consecutive as well to the other 2 charges, to be served in the state prison. And you will have a $5,000 fine. You will be ordered to pay restitution. In this case, Mr. Chagler, do you understand your sentence?
Yes, sir.
So you are essentially serving a 7-year mandatory minimum sentence.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any other questions for this court?
No, sir.
Sheriffs, you may now take them away. This court is now adjourned.